Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn about list. Okay, so lists are built-in data types of Python. So there are some properties of list there. So lists are you can say they are ordered, so they will be arranged one after another. Then they are changeable. You can change the values of the list later on also, and it allows duplicate values. Okay, so if we are a list can contain more than one values having this more than one items having the same value. So we can write a list as list equal to within square brackets you can give the values within double quotes. Let us give three values a, b, c, x, y, z, and let it be j, k, r separated by commas. Now if you want to display, just write down list. Now let us create one more list. So list equal to so I'm going to show that lists can contain values of different data types. So I'm creating a list having one string, one integer value, and one floating point number. So if I display it, you see it can accommodate different data types. Okay, now if we want to find the length of this list, I'll write print len of list. Len is a function, so total 3 elements. So let's check the type of this list. So print type list, so you can see it is a class. Now as I have told that the lists are ordered, so let us create a list. Okay, so I'm going to create a list having quite a few number of items. I would just want to show you that we can access the elements of the list using indexing. Okay, so I'm giving 5 items. So if I want to access a particular element, I'll just write down print a of 3. So if I say starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So orange, in index 3, orange is there. So orange is being displayed. I have shown you how to display one element of the list. Now let's see how we can display more than one elements. So we can write print of a of 2 to 4. It means from starting from index 2 till index, it is not going to include 4 index, so 1 index before 4. So that is from 0, 1, 2. So mango and orange displayed. Similarly, we can write from the beginning. Suppose we want to display all elements from the beginning till index number 3, excluding index number 3, that is from beginning till index number 2. So what is the mistake here? Okay, comma is given. So from the beginning till index number 2, that is apple, banana, and mango has been displayed. Okay, similarly we can display from a particular index till the end. So we will just write print a of, suppose from index 1 we want to display till end. So I will write 1 colon. So this is let us print our list a. So now we are going to check whether an element is present in the list or not. So I'll just write print. Let us check whether apple is present or not. I'll write apple in a. A is the name of the list, so true has been displayed. The same thing we can write using if statement. So we will write if within bracket within double quotes apple in a, then give colon, then write print whatever you want to write. Let us write apple is in a. Okay, now displayed. So apple is in a, it is true, so the print statement has been displayed. Now let us check for not. So whether apple is not present in a or not. It is false, it is present. Now not write melon, so now it is not in a, so it is mentioned true. Similarly, apple not in a, nothing is displayed because apple is present. Now let us give something which is not present in the list, melon. So this time it is getting displayed. As we know, the elements of the list can be changed. So let us see how to change it. First of all, let's see our list. So this is our list A. So suppose I want to change the element present in index 2 with a new value. So I'll write a of 2 is equal to, within double quotes, give the value that you want. Suppose milk I am giving. Now let's print a. So you will see that in index 2 before it mango was present, now we are having milk. Similarly, we can change a range of values also. So we will have to write a of, suppose I want to change the values from index 1 till index 2. I am writing 3 because 3 won't be will be excluded. So 2 elements will be changed from index 1 and index 2. So let us write the values. So within square bracket, I'll write down the values. Let it be red and yellow. Now let us print the list again. So you see, index 1 and 2 has been changed. Earlier it was banana milk, now red and yellow. Now what will happen if we suppose I am giving 1 to 3, that is 2 elements I need to change, but I am assigning more than 2 elements. Okay, so let us give more than 2 elements. Let us give 3 elements and check what happens. AA, first element, HH, and one more element, CC. So now let us print it and check what happens. Write down print A. So we will see that these 3 elements are included and the remaining elements is pushed backward. Now let's see how to insert an element in a list. Let us create a list B equal to high, then by, and let us give one more item. Okay, total 3 items I have given. Suppose I want to insert it in the first index. So I'll write b dot insert index number, comma, then write the item that you want to insert. Now let us see B. So you see welcome has been inserted in the first index, that is 0. We start from 0. Okay, now we will see how you can append elements at the end of a list. Okay, insert elements at the end of a list. So we will write down b dot append, within double quotes write down the element. So now you print the list. So you see red will be inserted at the end of the list. Okay, now we will see how we can combine 2 lists. Okay, so first we will create one list, a equal to, let it be 11 and 22. Now we will create another list, say b equal to, let me write b equal to, let it be high, and one more item we are going to insert. So now suppose I want to, after a, b should come. So I'll write a dot extend inside bracket b. So now we will print a. You see in list A, the second list has been inserted at the end. Suppose we want to remove one element from a list. So we will have to write a dot remove, then within bracket give the item name. Suppose I want to remove 22, so I'll write 22. Now if I print a, you see that 22 has been removed from the list. So if you want to remove the elements item wise, you will use remove. Suppose you want to remove the elements based on index, then we will have to use another function. Let us create the list first. So we have created the list. So to remove the elements index wise, we will use del, del, then a of give the index number. So we want to remove the element present in the first index. So we start from 0. So jjj has been removed. Similarly, we can delete the entire list also. We will just write del a. Now if we print a this time, we will see that a is not defined. Okay, so similarly we can clear the elements of the list also. Let us first create a list a equal to, we have given 3 elements. Now we will just write a dot clear. So now if I print a, we will see that the list is empty now. All the elements has been cleared. Now we will see how to apply loops to array. Okay, we will see for loop and while loop. First let us create one list. So I have taken 3 elements in the list. Now we will use for loop. So I'll write for, then x, for x in a. Okay, then we will give the colon, then we are just going to print x. So you see all the elements has been displayed. Now we will see how to display the same thing using while loop. Okay, so first of all we are going to create one variable, use one variable. Let us write I equal to 0. That is, we are going to start from index 0. So while I is less than a, a not a, we'll have to take the length of a, then colon. Now we are going to print the items. So we will write down print a of I. Okay, and then we will have to increment the value of I. So we will just write, let's see what happens if we write I plus plus. Okay, normally in C we have I plus plus. Let's see what happens. There is no need to write print, we can directly execute it. So you see error is there because in Python I plus plus operator is not present. So we will have to write I plus 1. All the elements are displayed. Now we will see how to sort the elements. Let us create one list. So we are having few integer elements here. So if I want to sort it, I'll just write a dot sort. You see all the, now let us print a. So let us write it in the first cell itself, a, print a. So all the elements are sorted in ascending order. So if you want in reverse order, you just write reverse equal to true. So in descending order it's sorted. Now we will see how we can concatenate two arrays. So we already have list, sorry, not arrays, list. So a list we already have. Let us create another list B. Suppose we want to concatenate these two lists. So we will simply write print a plus b. So this two list has been concatenated. We can copy also by using the copy function. So we will just write C equal to b dot copy. So the contents of list B will be copied to the new list C. Okay, so now if we print C, you see the contents of B has been copied to new list C. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.